Dreaming of a trip to Greece but not sure how to plan it? In this video, I'll show you the perfect 5-day itinerary for Greece, covering Athens, Santorini, and a day trip to Delphi. I'll also break down the costs, so you'll know exactly how much you need to budget. Let's get started. Day 1 begins in Athens. Start your morning at the Acropolis to see the Parthenon. Tickets cost around €20. Walk through the Plaka district and grab dinner at a rooftop restaurant. Budget for Day 1, €95 budget style, €165 mid-range. Day 2, take a day trip to Delphi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site about 2.5 hours from Athens. Join a guided tour for around €70. Day 2 total, €140 to €210. Day 3, catch a morning ferry to Santorini. Tickets range from €40 to €60. Spend the day exploring Oya with its famous sunset, one of the most iconic views in the world. Day 3 budget, €145 budget style, €250 mid-range. Day 4, discover Santorini's natural wonders. Take a boat tour to the Volcano and relax on unique beaches. Try a wine tasting tour. Santorini is famous for its unique wines. Day 4 total, €135 to €280. Day 5 includes your flight back for €150 to €250. So how much does a 5-day trip to Greece cost? Budget travelers, around €665 per person. Mid-range travelers, around €1,155 per person. Greece can be enjoyed without breaking the bank. Greece truly has it all: history, culture, beaches, food, and unforgettable sunsets. If you only have 5 days, this itinerary gives you the perfect mix of Athens and Santorini. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on Do Next Adventure for more smart travel tips. Until next time, happy travels!